Greetings, students. I hope that all of you are doing great. Before tackling the new vocabulary lesson in this video, I'm going to ask you some questions as an ice break. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The first question. Do you know how much of the Earth's surface is covered by water? I can hear one of you saying about 71%. Excellent. Question 2. How much of the Earth is forest? Yes, perfect. 28.9%. Perfect. You know the rope. Knowledge is power. In other words, the more a person knows, the better armed he is. Okay, so today we are going to tackle Unit 7, Lesson 1, Planet Earth. Okay, let's start with the discussion question. It is important to have a good general knowledge of the world we live in. Discuss. Okay, general knowledge is an important aspect of human life. If you do not know what is happening around you, you might come off as stupid and can bear you from being a part of some healthy discussions. Moreover, one of the main advantages of having general knowledge for students is that you can relate background knowledge with your education. Okay, I need you please to open your pupil's book, page 74. Do the quiz to find out if you are a beginner, mover, or a high flyer when it comes to geography. What is the maximum number of points you can get? So there is a quiz. You have to answer the quiz, and after that you're going to figure out whether you are a beginner, mover, or a high flyer. And you should have a strong general knowledge in geography. Okay, so let's start. This is to find out. The word find out, by the way, it's phrasal verb. Find out means to get information. Beginner, 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 noun. Someone who has just started to do or learn something. Mover, 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 noun. Someone who is improving, advancing, or progressing. High flyer, noun. Someone who has a lot of ability and a strong wish to be successful and is expected to achieve a lot. This is geography. This is geography, noun. The study of the countries, oceans, rivers, mountains, cities of the world. Planet Earth quiz. Are you a high flyer when it comes to geography, or is knowledge of our planet not one of your strong points? Do the quiz to find out. So please grab pencil and a piece of paper and start doing the quiz with me. Number 1. How many countries are there in the world? A, B, or C? Tick tock, tick tock. Yes, B. Excellent. Number 2. How many islands does the UK, England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Wales have? Tick tock. Excellent. C. Which of the following languages has the most native speakers in the world? Tick tock. A. Excellent. Number 4. Which is the capital of Canada? A. 5. What is Europe's largest city? Come on. Yes, it's A. Number 6. What is the population of the Earth? It's a bit hard. I bet you can do it. It's B. So, strong point. Strong point. Noun. Something you're good at. A skill or ability that you have. The opposite of strong point, weak point, noun as well. Something that you need to improve or work on. Island. Island. The S is silent. Island. Noun. A piece of land completely surrounded by water. Native speaker. Native speaker. Noun. Someone who has spoken a particular language since he or she was a baby. In other words, first language or mother tongue. Capital. 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 Noun. An important city where the main government of a country is. Population. Population as a noun and populate as a verb and populated as an adjective. Population means the number of people living in a particular area or a country. So the word formation of this word, population as a noun, populate as a verb, populated as an adjective. So let's read together. Now look at the answers below and score 2 points for every correct answer. Then read on to see what your score means. Let's do it together, guys. Beginners from 2 to 4 points. If you score 2 to 4, geography isn't your strong point. Unless you enjoy knowing nothing about the planet. You will have to do a bit more reading on the subject to improve your knowledge. Check out the National Geographic Kids site. It's full of interesting articles as well as facts and figures about our world that will help you brush up your knowledge. So the words that are highlighted are the words that we are going to discuss in the upcoming slides. Okay, improve your knowledge. Improve your knowledge is to brush up. Brush up your knowledge. Its phrasal verb means to improve your knowledge. Brush up. Brush up. Check out. Check out. It's a phrasal verb. Means to visit a place, channel, website in order to learn about it. And this picture is National Geographic Kids site. What's National Geographic Kids site? Educates and entertains children. It also stimulates children to view the world and learn about different subjects such as science, social studies, geography, and history through real and true stories, breathtaking images, and fascinating facts. As well as means in addition to. In addition to. Okay, let's move to movers from 6 to 8 points. If you score 6 to 8, you know your way around the globe. But there are still some points that you need to work on. You might want to refresh your memory on geographical knowledge. If you do a little more research, you will soon be up to scratch. So let's discuss the words that are highlighted. Work on, work on, work on. It's a phrasal verb that means to spend time improving something. Refresh my memory. To refresh your memory means revise or remember something. Refresh my memory or your memory. Research, research, noun. Research as well, verb. Researched, adjective. And research means a detailed study of a subject, especially to discover new information. Up to scratch, up to scratch. Up to scratch means good enough, reaching an acceptable standard. Up to scratch. So let's move to high flyers from 10 to 12 points. If you scored 10 to 12, congratulations. If there was a prize for geographical knowledge, you would win it. You excel at the subject and are very interested in all matters to do with planet Earth. You are a high flyer, and if you do not know something, you will stop at nothing until you find out the answer. So let's discuss the vocabulary words. Excellent, excellent, adjective. Excel in or at, verb. Excellence, noun. Excellent as an adjective means great, extremely good. Excel in or at as a verb means to do something very well or much better than most people. Interested in, adjective. For example, I'm interested in geography. Giving a lot of attention to something because you want to find out more about it or because you enjoy it. Interested in, the noun comes after it. But interesting as an adjective, geography is interesting, the noun comes before it. So interested in, noun after it, interesting, noun before it. Stop at nothing. Stop at nothing means do everything you can to achieve something. So it's comprehension time. Write B for beginner, M for mover, F for high flyer. I would like to remind you that beginner means someone who has just started to do or learn something. Mover, someone who is improving. High flyer, someone who has a lot of ability, okay, and strong wish to be successful. Number one is thirsty for knowledge. Who's thirsty for knowledge? It's Ep, high flyer. Could benefit most from extra reading. Beginner. Is fascinated by planet Earth. High flyer. Has good grasp of geography with a few weak points. Mover. Is probably not interested in geography. Beginner. Is advised to use the internet. Beginner. So let's discuss the highlighted words. Okay, thirsty for knowledge. Thirsty for knowledge. Thirsty for knowledge means wants so much to learn and know more. Benefit, verb. Benefit, verb. To help you in some way or give you an advantage. Fascinated, fascinated, adjective. Extremely interested by something or someone. Grasp, grasp, grasp. To understand. Okay, so vocabulary part. Find words or phrases in the quiz which mean the same as the words in bold. These words and phrases are in the same order as they are in the text. Geography is the thing you're good at. Excellent, your strong point. Perfect. So strong point means something that you are good at. And what's the opposite of strong point? Exactly, weak point. Okay, number two. Do you want to know more? You want to know more. Improve your knowledge. Perfect. Know more means improve your knowledge. Okay? Or is the phrase thirsty for knowledge. Okay? Thirsty for knowledge. Number 3. I use text books in addition to the internet. In addition to. In addition to, yes, as well as. In addition to. I think you should revise capital cities. Revise. Yes, refresh your memory. Perfect. Number 5. You will be good enough if you study. Good enough. Up to scratch. So good enough means up to scratch, up to the level wanted. Number 6. I'll do everything I can to find out. Stop at nothing. Okay, page 75 completes the table. Word formation is very important. Okay. Noun excellence, adjective excellent. We said it. Yes, verb is excel. Perfect. Excel. Okay. Populate as a verb, adjective populated. Noun population. Excellent. And population means the number of people living in a particular area. Excellent. Okay, research as a verb, researched as an adjective. What about the noun? Research as well. Perfect. And research means a detailed study of a subject. 4. Prediction as noun, predictable as an adjective. What about the verb? Yes, it's predict. It's predict. Perfect. Extinction as a noun, and yes, extinct as an adjective, doesn't exist anymore like dinosaurs. And extinction and extinct, they have no verb. Okay, we say dinosaurs was extinct. Okay. Okay, emit as a verb, emitted as an adjective. What about the noun? Yes, emission. Emission. Let's discuss the words. So this is predict as a verb, prediction as a noun, and predictable as an adjective. Okay? And prediction means a statement about what you think will happen in the future. Okay? Extinct as an adjective, extinction as a noun, they have no verb, and extinct means doesn't exist anymore like the dinosaurs. Okay, emit as a verb, emission as a noun. What does emit means is to send out light, sound, heat, and gas. Perfect.